Number 2, we have the IMILAB C22. This is our runner-up pick and stands out as one of the first indoor security cameras to support Wi-Fi 6, potentially offering improved connectivity in crowded networks. This 5-megapixel camera delivers 3K resolution video, providing clear and detailed footage. Its 360-degree pan and 100-degree tilt capabilities ensure comprehensive room coverage, while the color night vision function enhances low-light performance. The C22 features AI-powered human detection and motion tracking, alerting users to potential security concerns. Two-way audio allows for remote communication, and the smart sound detection can notify users of sudden noise changes. The camera supports local storage via microSD card and offers cloud storage options. Build quality is adequate for indoor use, with a plastic body and rotating spherical top. The micro USB power connection is somewhat dated. Installation is straightforward using the Xiaomi Home app, which provides an intuitive interface for accessing live views and adjusting settings.